Have you ever noticed how a pleasant scent can make a lasting impression? Our sense of smell is a powerful tool for connection, and it's often the first thing people notice. Today, we'll explore how you can always smell your best, enhancing not just your presence, but your confidence too. 1. The basics of body hygiene. Let's start with the most obvious, your body. Your skin and oil glands, especially in your armpits and groin, are prime spots for bacterial growth, which can lead to bad odors. Combat this by showering daily with a scent-free body wash. I recommend using something gentle, like Cetaphil. If it's good enough for your face, it's good enough for your body. Remember to wash every nook and cranny. Don't leave anything to chance. To control sweat and odor, use a deodorant. Method Men aluminum-free deodorant is a great option that lasts all day. Apply it every morning to stay fresh until your next shower. Frequent washing can dry out your skin, so moisturize with something simple, like aloe vera gel. It's mostly water and won't interfere with your skin's natural balance. 2. The power of cologne. Now let's add the finishing touch, cologne. To make your cologne last longer, apply a little Vaseline to the area before spraying. This helps the scent absorb and stay put all day. Always opt for a high-quality and long-lasting cologne over a cheap one. I recommend Dior Sauvage from Dior for a masculine, spicy and woody scent, or Mojave Ghost from Byredo for something a bit fruitier. My personal recommendations for perfume are Creed, Tom Ford, Byredo, and Diptyque. Next up, your mouth. Bad breath can be a real mood killer. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with a good toothpaste like Colgate Total. Floss daily to remove food particles which get stuck between your teeth, which can create a great difference. At last, use a tongue scraper to clean your tongue as it removes the bacteria buildup and the leftover food which had being stuck on your tongue, which leads to bad breath. Finish with an alcohol-free mouthwash to reach areas your toothbrush can't. It's the final step in keeping your breath fresh all day. 4. Caring for your hair. Let's not forget your hair. It produces natural oils that protect and nourishes your hair, but too much can lead to a greasy look. Don't shampoo every day. Shampooing every day can lead to dry out and scalp breakage. Aim for once every 3 days to avoid stripping these oils. Condition your hair after shampooing to keep it healthy. 5. The importance of your environment. Finally, let's talk about your environment. It's easy to become accustomed to the smells around you. Keep your home clean. Wash your clothes after wearing them twice, and always after the gym. Clean your floors, kitchen counters, and stovetop regularly. Open windows to air out your space, and light a candle for a fresh scent. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Here's a bonus tip. Spray a little cologne in your dryer when you do laundry. Your clothes will come out smelling great. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to always smelling great. Remember, smelling good is about more than just hygiene. It's about how you present yourself to the world. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have some queries or some suggestions, then you can leave a comment down below. And as always, subscribe for more informative and helpful video like this. That's my time, boys. Peace.